Hey guys, welcome to YYC Garage. Today we're gonna be testing the magnetic windshield mount cell phone holder. I'm gonna try to use this as a dash cam. There's an app you can download and works just like any dash cam, but it's free on your phone. So it came from Wish, $4, not too bad. Came in about 2 weeks earlier than it's supposed to. So the clip you're gonna see it's from me going around the house and going into the back alley which has snow in it. So as you're gonna see in the video, it does have some vibrations, but the view is pretty good, holds the phone pretty steady otherwise. So take a look and I hope you're gonna enjoy. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to subscribe, hit the like, and till the next time.